So, Rufai Oseni, the Arise TV presenter, is actually in the city of Aba, Abia State. Now, he was there. He first of all paid a visit to the executive governor of Abia State, Dr. Alex Choma Otti, after which he headed straight to the street to see for himself some of the good things the governor has done for the state. You know, most times when they send agents to get information from the street, they believe that most times maybe the governors or people always pay them to say what they are supposed to say. So, and you all know that Rufai Oseni is one journalist that will always stand by the truth and has always said it and has placed Arise TV on the right spot. So now he is in Aba. He saw some of the roads. He interacted with the people. Let me not say much. I'll allow you guys to listen. Guys.
Okay, so we're reporting right here from Afikpo Road, and we're just checking through part of the roads Alex Otti said he has done, and this is one of them, and they can see the people behind me. So, when you look at it, what was this road like before all of you? But what is the road like now? Is it better?
Very Keke, anybody that has Keke can ride his Keke for 5 years. Nothing will happen to it again. Yes. Okay. Anybody that has Keke will ride his Keke 5 years. Even 10 years, nothing will happen again. No more mechanic. Yes. Because the problem a lot of people have in our bad road. But it is solved. That is short, is good. God, and we know it's only in Abia State that have a perfect election.
Okay.
And he did the right job.
Thank you very much. At the Ohanku Road, they said this road was virtually impassable before, but you can see the fact that it's been fixed now, and we have a lot of people. I think it's just pan round so that they could. Are you guys happy about this road? Yes. Are you happy about this road? Yes. Very happy? Yes. Okay. Thank you.
So bastardized.
Really?
For the past 50 years.
For the past 50 years?
50 years since the section of Abia State. This road has never been tampered with or constructed by any company or any other government. But this is the first time. Nobody knows that this road is Afikpo Road. People living in Aba, for the past 50 years, have never known the name of this road. But now people knew that this is Afikpo Road for the first time. From here, just join the Azikiwe axis there. Straight to the school of primary school. It's not it's a very high defeat. So the guy, Abia State Governor, has done well. Looking at Asa Road and any other road, I have gone to Hank, I've seen Umuhia, I've seen other roads being constructed hidden. But do you know the greater part of this is that I've never seen any billboard bearing Alex Otti construction company or whatever, or praising him. He's not a fan of praise singers. He has been doing his job diligently, inwardly, and his works are speaking for him. Okay. Come 2027, there is no Jupiter, no demon on earth that can ever stop him.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm excited. The governor is really trying. Look at our road. Before, we have been suffering in this Abia State, but now, everywhere is also neat. Both lights, both good roads. I can't know. I'm really excited. Let the governor keep on doing well. People, masses are really praying for him. Yeah, and also I'm happy for him as the governor of this Abia State. Then he will keep on ruling us forever. We don't need any other governors. We only need Alex Otti, our governor. We don't need any other person. It's only Alex Otti we need. So my name is Adane Buazu. Also, my full name is Chiwen Juliet Obuji. I'm from Imo State in Idato North. Yeah.
Yes, go.
Well, by the grace of God, I've been in Aba for more than 38 years. All this place you are seeing has been a forgotten area. Indeed, a forgotten area. Nobody had ever believed that here we come to these states as we are seeing it today. We are only giving praise to God on behalf of our dear able governor, Dr. Alex Chioma Otti. This is what the evil ones have so denied of us for many years, since 2015 up to date. But thank God for nature. When nature says no, no is no. Nature says no to the evil ones, and no is no. Today, Abia people can experience a good government, a good governance. Democracy is indeed reality in Aba. Democracy is indeed reality in Aba, Abia State. Formerly here,
How was it before? How was the state of
this
the
place was so bad, as I call this place a forgotten area, abandoned place. There is no way you can go with this kind of shoe here. You can't move with these shoes here. You must pull their shoe, fold their trousers before you walk on this place. But thank God for Chief Dr. Alex Otti. We are saying, come 2027, Alex Otti doesn't need to campaign. Please, take our message to Alex Otti. We don't need his campaign. Alex Otti should allow his work to campaign for him. Alex Otti should allow his works to campaign for him. Aba people are fully behind him. It's unopposed. Thank you.
Good thing is, he himself is on ground. This is a field work for him, and whatever brought him to the east and to even interact with the good people of Aba, Abia State after seeing the governor. Some journalists will just come, pay a visit to the governor, have a good interactive section with the governor, and go back to wherever they are coming from. But he did not do like that. He had to go to the street, listen to the people, and get the people's opinion. And trust me, the people of Aba, the people of Abia State, everywhere around Abia State are really, really happy with the good works Alex Otti is doing for them. And anytime they have the opportunity, whether from anybody, to share their opinion about the governor, you always hear them say a lot of good things, just like you just heard now. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you guys on the next one.